How to change navigation bar on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. The navigation bar is the area at the bottom of your screen that houses buttons like back home and recent apps. By default, these buttons are usually set by the manufacturer, but with a few simple steps you can customize them according to your preferences. To get started, launch Settings application on your device. Now navigate to home screen and lock screen option and scroll to the bottom. Under you might be looking for a section, tap system navigation. And here you will have the two option of system navigation, that is you can change the buttons navigation to gesture navigation as well. But if you want to have buttons navigation and want to change the bottom layout, you can easily choose the next one. As you can see, the currently it has been set the first option. You can choose the second option and change your navigation bar on Android device. And that's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.